Welcome to Whispers. Renewed hope, renewed hope. Wishy. Hey. Presidential hate indeed. So, I came across this rather interesting and quite unfortunate headline. And to think it's from a fellow gender is quite disheartening. They know the rate also. They know the rate.
Let's talk about how the Ibadan army
they know the rate is at
all. After the Fulani succeeded.
At all. So, the headline reads, the renewed hope is here. Presidential hate. Abiodun Essiet writes as she releases photo of ongoing toilet projects in a Plateau community. For starters, the so-called toilet is even substandard. I don't think in our own house she will use that kind of a toilet. But it is what it is. No, Benaija. So, come along with, I'm short of words. This one, it gets us to be. So, the senior special assistant to President Tinubu on community engagement, North Center. Not to lè ṣe báyìí. Not to lè mọ ìmọ̀kúmọ̀. Abiola Essen has caused a stir. Hey, this picture that I'm looking at. Kò tiẹ̀ tó gbà ní kọ́bọ̀ kan àbọ̀. Kò tó gbà ní kọ́bọ̀ kan àbọ̀. A stir online after she shared photos of the toilet projects she is embarking upon in a community in Plateau. Posting the photos online, Abiola stated that the toilet project will help solve the difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing ìbò mọ̀ fẹ́ há sí lẹ́nu báyìí o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ renewed hope toilet Abiola. While experiencing their monthly flow. Biola. Ohun tí èrè ni. Tún sọ. Biola stated that the toilet project will help solve the difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing their monthly flow. Biola mélòó ni mo pè ẹ́? Ṣé bóbìnrin ni ẹ́? Kí ni toilet ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú monthly flow? If you want to do anything, shouldn't it be sanitary towels and pads? Tó o wá kọ́ ṣáláńgá, o kọ́ kinní òun ṣókóló bí ilé àbẹ̀rẹ̀wọ̀ bí ilé èkúté. Even destitute kan kò lè gbé bí nǹkan tó olóòkọ́ yìí tó ní ilẹ̀kùn méjì. Tí wọ́n kọ́ bí ṣúkúṣẹ́kà Bíọ́lá àbí kí ló ń jẹ́? Ọmọjọ Yíbò onímọ̀rẹ́mọ́lẹ̀ elétè mọ́mọ́ rí mọ́mọ́ ẹnu ẹ ti fẹ̀. So fún nígbà tí wo obìnrin àtẹ̀yìntàn fẹ́ lo obìnrin tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù tó wá kọ́rù tọ́lẹ̀tì fún young girls tó sọ pé because of difficulties tí wọ́n yẹn kàtà while expressing their monthly flow. Bíọ́lá ṣé nígbà tó ń ṣe monthly flow as a young girl jọ ṣé irú ṣáláńgá báyìí òun ló ń ṣe sí inú ṣáláńgá báyìí òun àwítọ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n mú kíní ọ̀hún rán wọ́n ní wọ́n special kí náà gbé ẹ̀ special assistant to president you see àwọn tí Tinubu kó tira rèé àwọn Shukusheka people mismatched putting square holes in round putting round pegs in square holes mo wà kọ́ṣe pé ńgbà tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù bóyá ńgbà tó ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù aṣọ ló máa fi ṣe àbẹ̀wé aṣọ àbẹ̀wé ṣé tọ́lẹ̀tì tó lóò ṣe ni ṣé bí píkítọ̀ tó lóò yà ni kò sí nǹkan kan nú ẹ̀ náà omi tó máa okay ká tẹ̀sọ́ pé o pè ní toilet okay where is the toilet seat where is the wash hand basin where is the water to flush nothing sakamaji kí ló tún sọ describing the project as the renewed hope Biola ẹnu ẹ̀ láàkan ṣé ẹsẹ̀ mélòó tó kọ́ yìí ní renewed hope Biola ó ní renewed hope to help solve difficulties young girls encounter while experiencing their monthly flow Biola olójú dúdú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹ̀kan gírí oh my God renewed hope the first toilet in Nagum community Maza ward Plateau State is almost completed. It is built within the school compound. When it is completed, our girls will have a place to change their sanitary towels. Oh my God, why are you people like this? So over some pé wọn so kí tọ́lẹ̀tì sọ lẹ́nu ẹ tó dé kó tó kọ́ Shukusheka makeshift kí la ti máa pè yìí so wọ́n ní a place to change their sanitary pads Biola àwọn ọmọ yìí ò ní a place to change their sanitary pads àwọn ọmọ tó ń sọ lókè ṣé báwọn ọmọ òkè ọya ni tí wọ́n rí ránun ìkó gbé kò wu jango tí wọ́n dàbí ọmọ tí wọ́n fọwọ́ nù lára tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ sanitary pads ń bo ló kọ́ sí ó lọ kọ́ sí school compound it is not oh my God I don't want to do this okay no it's okay our girls will not miss classes again when they are having menstrual cycle. Abiola, hey, torí tọ́lẹ̀tì tó wá kọ́, Shukusheka makeshift toilet tó kọ́, làwọn ọmọ ò ṣe ní miss classes mọ́ because they are when they are having their menstrual cycle. Tọ́lẹ̀tì yẹn wá jẹ́ bíi save. Fẹ̀kọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ò ti ní renewed hope ni so kí tí wá ní jọ Bíọ́lá ṣé tí wọ́n bá gbé tọ́lẹ̀tì fún ẹ as obìnrin àbí fún ọmọ ẹ lóbìnrin jọ ṣé o máa gbà á I have contributed to ending open defecation in Nigeria. Oh, Abiola, say makeshift Shukusheka toilet tó lóòkọ́ yìí ló ti yá ló wá lead to you contributed to ending open defecation in Nigeria. Jọ community tó lọ bá mi tó lọ kọ́ toilet méjì péré ni o kò kí ṣe pé bóyá o kọ́ loads of toilets o jọ so gbogbo wọn sì toilet yẹn náà máa ń lò wọn ò ní lọ yàgbẹ́ wọn wá kíù síbẹ̀ I have contributed to the development of the Nagam community. The renewed hope is here. Biola ẹnu ẹ̀ lákan. Ṣé eléyìí ṣó jọ renewed hope sí ẹ? Tí wọ́n mọ bí ìmọ̀kúmọ̀ yìí. ṣé bó ni mo zoom yìí ṣé bá òun làwọn blocks yìí wọn ò tún lè fi cement sí dáadáa wọn ò tún lè fi cement sí dáadáa olóòkó tó lè jì fún wọn ò dé open toilet òun wá níwọ̀n kí ló ló ṣe náà òun wá níwọ̀n put an end to open defecation jọ ṣe okay oh my god it can only be in Nigeria oh. And to think this is a woman oh. fellow gender ọmọjọ Yíbò Bíọ́lá àwọn tó lóhun special assistant èmi ní kọ́kọ́ máa rí èmi ní kọ́kọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ ó kọ́ toilet kò dé kò rúfẹ́ so tójò bá rọ̀ òjò á máa pa àwọn ọmọ yẹn tóòrùn bá ràn òun á máa pa wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kò yàtọ̀ even Shalanga is even nicer. Shalanga is decent. Shalanga is even more presentable. Ó ṣe nǹkan wọn rẹ̀. Ẹ kò ṣe níṣe ní ẹnu òṣè tí ráwọn pípù yẹn náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wá ní renewed hope. Oní tọ́lẹ̀tì makeshift tọ́lẹ̀tì tó lóòkọ́. Makeshift block tó lóòtòjọ́. Oló máa stop àwọn ọmọ láti máa miss class wọn nígbà tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe period oppression yìí máa pọ̀ o ìyà yìí máa pa mẹ̀kúnnù àwọn ará òkè ọ̀yà ṣége promax àwọn ará òkè ọ̀yà adẹ́mọ́mẹ́lẹ́wà wọ́n máa ti jẹ̀yà yìí o substandard that is not of quality ẹ wá kó blọọkì jọ ẹ mọ bí ìmọ̀kúmọ̀ ẹ mọ bọ̀rọ̀ gidi géètì ṣé mo jọ wá kọ́ ṣe pé bílíọ̀nsì ló máa lóun náà o bílíọ̀nsì ló máa lóun náà ṣé mọ̀ yù kí lórúkọ ọmọjọ Yíbò onímúramọ́lẹ̀ Abiola shame on you your shame dey shame you shameful ṣé mi ò tí ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo lè fi ẹ́ wé shame on you awítọ́ oníwọ̀ kí ló tiẹ̀ sọ náà awítọ́ oníwọ̀ kí ló sọ oníwọ̀n kí ló kọ síbẹ̀ oníwọ̀n fellow of Cardiff International Institute ní Canada abroad náà lè fi máa kó wọn lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ́ Nelson Mandela Washington fellow ìwọ regional director of African World Smart Cities Bíọ́lá Ojúgbàmí tì fún ẹ ṣé tó jọ ó sọ pé wọ́n regional director of African World Smart Cities jọ ṣé toilet jọ kọ́ yẹn show of standard World Smart Cities Bíọ́lá kí ni quality makeshift block tó kọ̀ lẹ̀ mọ́ra wọn tó gbé síbẹ̀ yẹn ìwọ gender advocate really Bíọ́lá lórí toilet yìí náà o gender advocate woman leader of Nigeria Women Trust Fund ìwọ ṣebí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ náà lárí kó o ṣe nǹkan fára ẹ fóbìnrin ara ẹ ló lọ ṣèṣekúṣe ló lọ mọ̀mọ́kúmọ́ bí bó ti rí náà ni tọ́lẹ̀tì ṣe rí ìwọ àti tọ́lẹ̀tì gbogbo is a representation of you bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ bí tọ́lẹ̀tì yẹn ṣe rí ló ṣe rí that is just it that some say that oníwọ̀n public health consultant and researcher kò ní ragbá fún public health consultant and researcher ìwọ consultant public health consultant ló lọ kọ́ haphazard building tó jẹ́ pé if care is not taken building yóò tún lè lead to health and safety concern ìwọ health consultant Abiola jọ tí wọ́n bá lọ inspect the so-called makeshift God-forsaken shite bricks tó tó sọ pé ó fi ṣe toilet jọ ṣó máa pass public health and safety test ṣó máa pass Abiola you are shameless shameless gan your shamelessness kódà so adúrú gbogbo nǹkan tó ló kó jẹ public health consultant ló ṣe substandard toilet in a public space like that. Cardi International Institute Canada. Shame on you. Shameless thing. Shameless thinking. She's passionate about community. She's passionate as a community leader. Ìwọ community leader. Ìwọ. Ó ṣe project to handle with 7 years of experience in project man. Biola, ojú gbà mí tì fún ẹ. Ojú gbà mí, ó sun owó náà ni. Ó sun ńgbà tẹ́ ní kàwé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dé kàbóyè rà ni. Only 7 years experience in project management, community development and leadership. What project management?